On a tumultuous Monday evening, Calgary was thrust into the grip of Mother Nature's fury as multiple severe thunderstorms swept through the region, triggering emergency alerts and sparking a cascade of social media reactions. The storm bore down with the menacing promise of colossal hailstones, fierce winds, and relentless rain. Meteorologists were locked in a tense dance with the tempest, tracking its ominous path across the skies. The storms had the potential to unleash baseball size or greater hail and unleash torrential downpours. Environment Canada warned in a flurry of alerts. All eyes were on the eastern horizon as the storms marched onward. Particularly hard hit were the northern reaches of Calgary. Social media became a virtual storm tracker, with users sharing vivid accounts and images of the chaos unfolding. Among the hardest hit was the Calgary International Airport, where the terminal building succumbed to the storm's onslaught. In a surreal twist, videos circulated on Reddit and X, formerly known as Twitter, captured scenes that seemed straight out of a disaster movie. Water gushing from the ceiling tiles of the airport, as if the building itself was weeping in response to the storm. YDC's official social media account confirmed the unsettling reality. We can confirm there has been damage to YDC's terminal building due to hail and heavy rainfall. For the safety of all guests and staff, B gates and some C gates are being evacuated due to water damage. No injuries have been reported.
Oh my god. It's gonna damage the houses.
Oh my god. Oh, look at the window. Oh.
As the night wore on, chaos continued to ripple through the airport. By 10 p.m., a dozen flights had been canceled, and numerous others faced delays, leaving travelers stranded and frustrated. Throughout the city, images and videos emerged showing hailstones the size of toonies pelting down on north-central and northeast Calgary. Reports flooded in of hail wreaking havoc on homes, leaving siding, windows, and skylights in tatters. Cars bore the brunt as well, with dimpled surfaces and shattered glass. Some photos captured the surreal sight of lawns blanketed in hail, reminiscent of a winter wonderland in the heart of summer. Elsewhere in the city, traffic cameras painted a picture of desperation as vehicles sought refuge from the storm beneath the Deerfoot Trail, Stony Trail underpass, and other overpasses along Stony Trail, causing traffic snarls and blocking all lanes.
A lot of water too.
Yep. We have little rivers again.
The storm's reach was vast. According to Alberta Emergency Alert, a tempest developed shortly before 8 p.m., impacting areas including Brooks, Strathmore, Vulcan, Airdrie, Cochrane, Olds, Sundar, Calgary, Drumheller, and Three Hills. An hour later, a second storm barreled toward Blackie, Arrowhead, Milo, Vulcan, Carmangay, and Lomond. A third storm was reported near Okotoks shortly after 9:30 p.m., threatening more destruction. Environment Canada painted a dire picture. Extremely large hail can smash windows, destroy property and vehicles, and cause life-threatening injury. Strong wind gusts can toss loose objects, damage weak buildings, break branches off trees, and overturn large vehicles.
This ain't snow.
Amid the chaos, emergency notifications blared across mobile devices and broadcast media, urging people to avoid windows and, if caught outside, to protect their heads. The severe thunderstorm warning for Calgary was lifted at 8:43 p.m. Yet the storm's aftermath lingered, with rain and wind continuing to lash parts of the city.